Unlock the harmony, exploring drone string tuning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and music. Today, we're exploring a captivating topic that bridges the gap between music theory and the joy of playing an instrument: drone string tuning. Whether you're a musician looking to expand your skills or simply curious about how music works, this video is for you. Let's unlock the secrets behind this unique tuning method and discover how it can transform your playing. Drone string tuning refers to a method of tuning a stringed instrument so that one or more strings are tuned to a constant note that sounds throughout a piece of music, serving as a continuous harmonic support. This technique is often used in traditional music styles, such as Indian classical music, Celtic music, and in modern compositions to create a rich, resonant backdrop that enhances the melody played on the other strings. The key characteristics of drone string tuning include a constant harmonic bass. The drone provides a steady pitch that other notes harmonize with. Simplicity and depth. Even with a single note, the drone can add a profound depth to music. Versatility. It can be applied to various instruments, including guitar, violin, and sitar. To achieve drone string tuning on a guitar, for example, you might tune one or more of the strings to a specific note that will act as your drone. This could be the open D string, which is commonly used. When playing, you ensure this string continues to sound while playing melodies on the other strings. This creates a harmonic foundation that adds complexity and texture to your music. Steps to tune your instrument with a drone string. 1. Choose your drone note. Decide on the note that will serve as your drone. This will depend on the piece of music you're playing. 2. Tune your drone string. Adjust the tuning peg of the string you've chosen to match the pitch of your drone note. 3. Adjust other strings as needed. Depending on the piece, you may need to retune other strings to complement your drone string. Drone string tuning offers several advantages to musicians, including enhanced musical texture. It adds a layer of depth to your music, making it more interesting and dynamic. Improvisation and creativity. Having a drone allows musicians to freely improvise melodies, knowing they have a solid harmonic base. Ease of learning. For beginners, drone tuning can simplify the process of understanding music theory and harmony. We hope this exploration of drone string tuning has opened your eyes to a new dimension of musical creativity and expression. This technique, with its roots in ancient traditions, offers a world of possibilities for enriching your music, whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out. Remember, the essence of music lies in experimentation and personal expression, so we encourage you to pick up your instrument and try drone string tuning for yourself. Who knows what beautiful harmonies you'll discover? Thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content on the English language and the beautiful world of music. Happy playing, and see you in the next video.